Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a 20 horsepower Schold dissolver. Now we're running with a 12-inch blade in there, probably a little bit big for what this size horsepower usually calls for, but bigger is always better. As you can see, here it has pneumatic lift controls and the motion is activated by the foot pedal. The valve filling in the tank is a reservoir, has a valve door motor up top. The column post can rotate, has a locking ring right in here. Now we're running at 30 hertz, which is half capacity. We're going to show you here. It's a new controller we're operating with. And, you know, just by going, the controller works two ways, by using up and down here, or you'll hear the mixer slowing down. It's only about a 90-gallon tank. It'll slow almost to dead stop. There's a couple of splash guards that have to be installed in here yet, but this gives you a good idea of what type of dissolvers and mixtures we do have in our stock. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to helping you with your processing and packaging needs. Thanks for joining us for this video today. We look forward to seeing you. Thanks.